Hey brothers and sisters, how y'all doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing wonderful. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Michelle. Today I'm bringing you guys a haul of a black owned hair brand named Soultanicals. They were definitely one of the pioneers in the natural hair movement that happened a few years ago when everyone started kind of wanting to get back to their natural roots. This was one of the first brands that was black owned, that sold products that had great ingredients for our hair, and of course their products are very unique, Afrocentric, and have beautiful, beautiful fragrances. This is actually my very first time trying Soultanicals. I know I've been around for a while now and I've tried lots and lots of brands. For some reason, I was always so overwhelmed with the website and just like all the products that they had. I didn't really know what to purchase. So right now my stock is pretty low, so I wanted to re-up and decided, you know what, let me try Soultanicals. So I'm just here to show you guys what I bought, what the products say that they do, and of course I want to know from you guys, what do you guys like from Soultanicals? What products should I try? So let's get started. This is their detangler called Slip and Slide Knot Proof Hair Glide with slippery elm, okra, and cocoa butter. I believe this is an 8-ounce bottle and it's supposed to be a detangler. It starts off with distilled water and then it has botanically infused slippery elm, oat straw, okra, marshmallow root, certified organic aloe vera juice, extra virgin coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil. Wow, lots and lots of good stuff. It says it's a nappy-licious reinvention of our natural hair detanglers, supernaturally emphasized with slippery elm, okra, and mushroom gum for excellent comb-through speedability and extra softness. More slip and moisture than our beloved knot sauce. Okay, now that's the product that, you know what, now that I'm like talking about it, I feel like I have purchased a knot sauce a long time ago, because I remember the bottle being like really big, and that was the only product I would hear people talk about, was how good the knot sauce was. And it was good. It was good. I remember that. So this is supposed to be better than the knot sauce. And the mango dip, which I'm guessing is another one of their detanglers. The proof is in the slip galore. That's a lot of claims. They're like really pumping up this product, so hopefully it really is. What's also cool is that they have a review. I've never seen that, like an actual review on the back of a product. That's cute. I like that. That's really cute. It smells really good. It has like a nice island coconut smell, but not an overpowering coconut smell, just like a pleasant one. A very light orange coconut. That's what it smells like. Oranges and coconut together. It can be used as a conditioner, a detangler, or a leave-in conditioner. That is great. Next I have the Fro Despair, a plant foods mega deep conditioner with biotin, folic acid, and mega greens. Starts off with distilled water, botanically infused with horsetail, rosemary, and sage, biotin, spirulina, wheatgrass, barley grass, oatgrass, corylea, alfalfa. Whoa, these are some dope ingredients. It also has protein, vitamin B5, folic acid, vitamin E. Girl, this is like that like powder, that scoop of powder you put in your protein shake so you get all of your greens at one time. These are literally hair vitamins. That is so cool. Thick and green like a real smoothie. It looks like a smoothie and it smells so green, like green grass. It smells like freshly cut roses. It doesn't smell bad in my opinion. I like the green. Look around. I like, you know, the green scent, the green around me, nature. I like natural smelling things. So for me, this smells perfect. But for someone else, I could see them having a problem with the scent. It says, loaded with hair loss preventing organic super green ingredients, this mega deep conditioner is formulated to keep hair follicles healthy by rejuvenating and repairing on a cellular level. So this is considered to be a strengthening deep conditioner for your hair. So if you're looking for something to revive those curls and they're super limp, this might be the one. We shall see. Next I have the Marula-Muru. The Marula-Muru Moisture Guru. Cute. And this is a moisturizing butter to lock in the moisture in your hair or add moisture to your hair. It depends whether you use it on wet or dry hair. It looks like a thick, yummy, juicy cream. It's not like a shea butter, which, you know, I like those too. They serve a different purpose for my hair. Oh, this reminds me of the holidays. It has like this warm pie feeling to it. I'm getting like a cinnamon apple maple maybe. Oh, it smells really comforting. This is gonna be a good one. I'm noticing some of the oils in here. It has like castor oil in here. It has flaxseed gel. So it does have some things that are going to hold the hair. So this will be really nice for a twist out. I have been in need of an oil. I have my own personal mixture of my hair oil, and then I always have like one that's already pre-made from someone else because it probably includes ingredients I don't have in mine. And I'm out. So I bought this oil. It is called the Bloom Super Potent Healthy Hair Growth Oil with organic herbs, vitamins, and botanicals. It has extra virgin olive oil infused with rosemary, horsetail, dandelion root, MSM, sulfur, cayenne pepper, fenugreek, moringa. Wow, wow, wow. It has peppermint in here. It has hemp oil, ginger root. It has everything in here. Biotin. Wow. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like what you would expect it to smell like. It smells like an herbal tea. Like, you know when you go into those tea shops, whether you're at the mall or like at a little cute boutique bookstore and they have tea brewing, it smells like that. Just very herbal, very rich and soothing. And it has a lot of oils in it. So I like that it has the applicator tip. Makes it nice to just kind of, you know, you could even sit in the hot water and let it get hot in this and do a hot oil treatment. Because it does have biotin and MSM and other things in it, I feel like those are the things I don't have in mine. Those special ingredients, I'm not a chemist. I don't know how to coordinate all that. So I leave it up to the professionals. And I like to always have something like that in my stash. So hopefully this is a good one. Let me know if you've used it. The reviews are really good, so we shall see. And last but certainly not least, because this smells like a dream, I smelled it, is the Loc-N-roll Twist and Fro Out Penetrating Hair Butter with Argan Oil and Cocoa Butter. It starts with mango butter, grapeseed oil, olive wax, castor oil, betramonium sulfate, cocoa butter, vitamin B5, argan oil, sea kelp, jojoba oil, and the list goes on. This is a true butter, as you can see. Nothing's moving. As soon as you touch it, it just turns into an oil. Smells exactly like a gummy bear. Oh, it smells like a perfumed gummy bear. It smells very elegant, actually. Even though it has a sweet smell, it's like a sweet, mature smell. It's not childlike. So this can be used to twist your hair if you have locks, for twist out, because it really feels just like an oil. You can also probably use this on your ends, I'm thinking. Smells amazing. And that is all. The shipping was really fast. I was quite shocked. I was shocked. I placed it like on a Thursday and I had it on a Saturday. So 2 thumbs up for that. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. Let me know. What do you think of the brand? What do you think of these products? If you have any of these products, what do you think of them? I do want to continue to support and promote Black businesses on my channel. You guys have already suggested a few in other videos, so continue sharing. If there's some stuff that you've come across and you think I should try it, let me know. And I'm sure someone is curious about my hair, so I have it in a regular kind of like flat twist out. I did flat twists by layers, and I used the Obia Naturals Almond Dry Twist Butter. Very creamy little butter here. And I got this. Alright my loves, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Big kisses. Mwah. Peace, love, and light.